We're just getting started. Count it off like this. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, it's the Mind Twister again. And a snowy day. Actually, the snow kind of stopped now. They're plowing the yard. I want to tell all of y'all that there's no excuse in this world. No excuse not to exercise. Because you don't really need a gym if you're smart. If you have the right equipment, you don't need the gym. So right now, we're about to do, my wife is about to demonstrate. She is the sledgehammer queen and the tire flipping queen. So she's about to demonstrate to you all over the world willing to see something you've never seen before, and you're gonna be blessed on the snow. Peace, and just sit down, lay back, and watch. All right?
So yielding is never an option. The will to measure whatever it costs. Put in the books, I snuck into the library till the bulletin shook in a rain, book line and sinking in. Kids check it out and turn the pages till they think again. Believe it in and read it between the hash marks, converted into clip notes, accelerate the fast start. Action pack the plan B before you move past freedom and even start to understand me. Telling you when your man freeze before you weave that reason into the fabric of the grand scheme. Man, I'm steamroll the competition at large to the heavens, identify who's in charge. Bar none, hard rocks, the ladies with their hard done. Behind the ears are burning up with the R sun. All of what you want from big dreams to fall plumb. It don't stop till the war's won. It don't stop till the war's won. Hey DJ Idol, can I get an introduction? Come on man, let's do this. I wanna rock right now.
Most of all, your core, your soul, your form. If you have feels like exercise. If you're a basketball player, this is for you. If you're a hockey player, this is for you.
Mathematics, algebra, calculus. I counted the cost, accounted for the counterfeit when I encountered it. Stood my ground and the coward quit cause he's powerless. So many challenges exist. Calculate the catalyst, cause and effect from catastrophic events. We gotta catapult past it. Castaways out, it returns sevenfold. Tell them get out. This is my temple, my house. Take control of your body. Reject the venom, yo, they bugging out. Better grab the insect repellent, my rebellion. Rocking the bells from Belgium to Bella to Boston and back to Bellingham. The mailman, playing my role. No more John Stockton, I'm Karl Malone, slamming it home on microphones. I'm in the zone, lyrics and poems flow through my chromosomes and penetrate domes. I wanna rock right now. Come on, I wanna rock right now. Yeah, it's been a long road, driven by purpose, and I know that it's worth it. I wanna rock right now. Come on, I wanna rock right now.
Oh, the tire flipping queen. Oh, nice. Come on. Bring it back. Go around. Get back. This is the one exercise in the world that's using everybody. That's the squat. That's the butt. Hands. See that? Then the chest, shoulders, core, everything is in core. This is a whole gym workout. You don't need to go to the gym. Just do it at home. Look at that. She's working at home.
I wonder why I utter what's so ugly. Hear me stutter. If my mother heard me now, she might slap me, save me now. I'm a
This one is
man.
100 pounds.
Playing the piano, it's my heart to win. I'll punch you so bad. I said I'll punch you so bad.
You're no good, I'm no good either. You showed me the dark side, I followed the leader. Losing my patience, try to gain composure. I can see the storm coming like my name's Noah. Can't say I didn't warn ya. Who warned us? What are we supposed to do when the storm's us? Where are we supposed to run to? What can I say? I don't even know who I'm talking to. Looking in the mirror, I see unfamiliar shadows. Looking in the galaxy, I feel so shallow. My heart like a black hole, wicked and deceitful. Trying to do good, surrounded by evil.
This time I will get it right.
lovely wife right here.
This is how we do it over here. The mind twister.
You search inside the deepest parts. You radiate the darkness in my heart. Oh, I can't hide no more. You took this life that once was real and gave us strength where hopelessness won't prevail. And this life more abundantly. Your beauty, Lord, I know it captures me. Your sweet embrace, it brings me to my knees. Oh, you capture me. Oh, Lord, you capture me. You opened up my heart and made a home in me. You lifted up the weight the world has placed on me. Oh, you capture me. Oh, Lord, you capture me.
It doesn't matter what sports you play, this is for you. Every muscle in your body, all the muscle groups are involved in the exercise.